I realized most people get stuck with AI because they start in the wrong place. They treat it like one tool instead of a category. That single mistake wastes weeks. If you stay with me for the next 5 minutes, you'll be able to explain what AI actually is, spot the difference between AI and automation instantly, and understand which AI jobs make sense for beginners. No theory dump, just the parts that matter. Here's the first thing to fix.
Artificial intelligence is often treated like a single tool, something you either understand or you don't. That assumption causes problems right away. Artificial intelligence is not one technology, it is a broad idea. It refers to systems designed to perform tasks that normally require human judgment, such as learning, reasoning, and making decisions. At its core, AI is about decision-making and pattern recognition. Decision-making systems evaluate inputs and choose actions. Pattern recognition systems detect structure, similarity, or change in data. If a system can do either of these without you hard-coding every step, you are dealing with artificial intelligence. Now, here's an important distinction. A system is not intelligent just because it's fast or complex. A calculator is fast. It is not intelligent. What makes a system intelligent is its ability to learn from experience, adapt when conditions change, and improve future outcomes without manual rule updates. This distinction becomes clearer when you study AI concepts alongside real industry examples and the ethical limits around decision-making. If you ever want to slow this part down and see how these ideas show up in real systems, structured material like the AI Essentials content on uCertify helps connect the concept to practice without overcomplicating it. Stay with me because by the end, you'll know what skills hiring teams actually expect at a beginner level and how this knowledge fits into a real AI career path. Now, this is also where many people confuse AI with automation. Automation follows fixed instructions. The same input produces the same output every time. AI systems behave differently. AI systems use data to adjust decisions. They can respond differently as new information arrives. An automated system repeats rules. An AI system evaluates patterns and chooses actions. That difference matters. Most AI systems, regardless of complexity, follow a similar workflow. Everything starts with data. Data must be collected, cleaned, labeled, and organized so the system can actually learn from it. Poor data leads to poor outcomes. This is where many AI efforts fail. Once the data is prepared, the system moves into training. During training, the model looks for patterns in historical data and adjusts internal parameters to reduce errors. After training comes inference. Inference is when the trained model is used on new data to make predictions or decisions. Training is how the system learns. Inference is how it applies what it learned. Another common misconception is that AI works entirely on its own. In reality, humans are often part of the loop. Humans label data, review outputs, handle edge cases, and step in when decisions have ethical or safety implications. This human-in-the-loop approach improves accuracy and prevents unchecked errors. AI systems can also be grouped into different types. Some systems are rule-based. They follow logic written in advance by humans. They work well when rules are clear and stable. They struggle when situations change. They do not learn. Other systems are learning-based. These systems learn patterns from data and improve performance over time. Spam filters are a common example. They get better as feedback accumulates. Most real-world AI today is narrow. Narrow AI is designed to perform one specific task, nothing more. Recommendation systems, voice assistants, and fraud detection tools all fall into this category. When people think about careers in AI, they often expect to start by building advanced systems. That's uncommon. Beginner roles usually focus on working with data, testing models, supporting AI systems, and analyzing results. Common entry-level roles include data analyst, AI support engineer, and machine learning intern. AI careers also differ in focus. Some roles are business-oriented. They use AI to support decisions and strategy. Other roles are technical. They build, train, and maintain AI systems. Both paths require understanding how AI works. Neither requires full mastery at the start. Finally, there are different ways to enter the field. A degree provides theoretical grounding. A skill-first path emphasizes hands-on ability. In practice, real-world skills often matter more than credentials alone. Understanding how systems fail, how data affects outcomes, and how decisions are made is what makes someone effective in AI. That understanding is what you should focus on building first.
If you found this video helpful, there's a lot more learning waiting for you. Subscribe to the uCertify channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update.